to approach the bench, Private? I don't think you were.
That is unacceptable, Private. You're getting no pay today. Leave my sight.
Sir!
After how costly the fortification was, we have to save money any way possible. So, lots of deductions need to be made from all these privates. Come forward.
Sir!
Well, Private, state your name, number, and company.
Private Chamberlain, 2294, Company A.
Do you think you deserve your full 20 pennies today?
Yes, I do, sir.
Do you wish to add some of that money to your retirement fund?
That would be a good idea, sir.
We will deduct 3 pennies for that fund, since you are very young. What do you think of his shine, Color Sergeant?
Tough brass does not look very shiny, Private. Neither do your boots.
Well, if that's the case, then we'll have to deduct some money so that you can get the... Your hot flash could also use some work. 2 more pennies. So, Private, do you think you deserve what's left of your money?
Yes, sir.
Do you wish to also purchase some vegetables as well?
Yes, sir. I'm getting scurvy.
We have a serious problem if every person in this fortification is getting scurvy while on land. Is there something funny, Private?
No, sir. Our rations are very adequate, sir.
Did I say you can speak? That private needs to go straight to the garrison cells.
Follow me this way, Private. Turn around.
For shame!
Go to the garrison cells. For shame, Private. Learn your place. Never talk back to an officer.
Very well. 4 pennies is your wage today.
Thank you, sir. Sir!
Did I say either of you could speak? That's what I thought. Very well. Seems you massive ragtag bunch of apparently scurvious intent.
Sir.
What?
I looked for that.
Well, look at you, Mr. Braggart. So for that, you can carry the table. And you, Private Scurvy, get over here. Take care of the table. Thank you very much, Color Sergeant.
No problem, sir.
Absolutely disgusting display today. The only person who really earned their pay today was Private Chamberlain. Very, very outstanding private.
Thank you, sir.
He deserves possibly a promotion as soon as possible.
Very well, sir. I'll see to it myself.
The others are terrible.
Sir.
All right, let's go.
Sir, do I have your permission to go ahead now?
Very well. Let us go. That wasn't for you, Mr. Ferguson.
Sir!
You're okay. Sit back and finish yourself.
This is why you are not getting promoted, and I am.